Hi, I just want to introduce one of my beautiful friends, Laurie.
Hello everyone.
Hello. And another beautiful friend, Elizabeth. Hi. And we're here today just to talk about something that Laurie gets up to when she paints. Right, so what oil do you use when you're painting, Laurie?
In my studio, I use the elevation, so I put it in my diffuser, and I just find that it helps me let go of my week, because I normally paint in the weekends, because I've got a very busy week, chockers. So on the weekend, I just put my elevation on, go into the studio, and it helps me to just let go of everything and be in the moment when I paint. And I just find that it's really helped me focus and not let other things intrude, because I'm preparing for my exhibition in July. So
That's exciting.
Yeah, so it's really important that I get a certain amount of work done, and I found that after Christmas I was going into my studio but feeling pressured, so it was taking the joy away.
Yeah.
Because I'm thinking, if I want this exhibition, I've really got to get it. And every time there was a mistake or whatever, instead of that being a happy accident previously, it would get me down or whatever. So I just find elevation just helps me keep the joy and helps my creativity flow, and I just love it.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent. Well, because elevation is the joyful blend.
Oh, there you go.
That's what it's actually called. So elevation is one of these beautiful oils that do uplift your senses and can kind of take you out of yourself.
Yeah, it definitely does that. Yeah.
So what else do you get up to in your studio? Right, so once you've painted and you've made all these beautiful creations, what else do you do?
The dreaded clean-up. So I recently just on-guarded my whole house. So we've just received our on-guard clothes washing stuff.
Oh,
so I've been storing up all the empty containers so I can make them, you know, how you've got to dilute it.
Yeah.
So I've been storing up our empty containers to make them up. And we've been using the hand pump, you know, the hand wash, the foaming hand wash, and the cleaner in spray bottles and every dishwashing and all that for ages. And so, but the On Guard I discovered just by accident. I just so happened to have a spray bottle in my studio, and I had like, you know, I get lots of oils in my hand. Some of them are quite toxic, oil paints.
Oh.
Yeah, and I'm terrible at using gloves, because I'll walk in and go, oh, I should really just do this, this and this, and then I get carried away and forget to put my gloves on. So, and I had a spray thing there, and I wanted to make a call on my phone, and my hands were just covered in oil paint. So I just literally squirted this stuff made up into a squirt bottle, which we used to clean the benches and everything. Just squirted it into my hand and then rubbed like this. And all the oil paint come off my hands.
Wow.
So I just dried it off with a paper towel. And it was good. And then I discovered, well, what else can I use it for? So I've got a big glass palette that I use, and then I scrape it when things dry, and or if it's still wet, I'll just use a paper towel to get the bulk of the paint off. Then I spray it, my glass palette, with this in diluted form. Just spray it and then leave it a couple of minutes, and then get more paper towel and just clean.
Wow.
Oil paints, acrylics, mediums, it just sorts it.
Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing.
Yeah, because you pay a fortune for, I tell you what, I haven't tried brush cleaning. I haven't tried that yet, but I'll try it and let you know.
Well, actually, there is a recipe for makeup brush cleaning, so I would imagine that would work for the paints as well.
Wow, okay, well, I'll definitely have to get the recipe off you so I can give it a shot.
Yeah, we'll do that. So this is the On Guard concentrate. Now you can use this for your dishes. As Laurie says, you mix it up and you make a spray and wipe. So when I mix this up with the spray and wipe, I usually put the concentrate to about here. Then I put 8 drops of lemon, 8 drops of On Guard, fill it with water, and I just have a spray on top. With the dishes, I do concentrate to about here again, and then I fill that with water, and that's my dishes. So, and then the rest I leave straight, because then I use that for the floors and any other stubborn cleaning that you need to do. So that's our On Guard. What did you think of that, Elizabeth?
I thought it was great. I got some good ideas out of that. I've been saving up the laundry liquid On Guard bottles to give to you, but I'm going to keep them now to have mine pre-made up already,
Yeah.
so that I don't waste so much.
Yeah.
And that's the thing, is getting smarter with the products that we want to use.
Yeah.
Yes.
To do that. But I'm using the On Guard for so many things myself that I love it, and it's just making the change and getting out of the old habits for these newer, much better, safer habits.
Yeah.
And having conversations like this so that you can resonate with everything and make everything happen in your own home.
Yeah.
So, no chemicals, no toxins, and that's the beauty of the On Guard concentrate. And I want to thank you very much, Laurie
No worries.
and Elizabeth,
You're welcome.
for sharing your information with us. So we will talk to you very soon. See you later.